Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. The season of festivities is already around the corner, and food and celebration always go hand in hand. To brighten up the food utsav on those days of Durga Puja, I have brought forward a tutorial on how to make prawn biryani. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we need to soak some long grained basmati rice in water for around 40 to 45 minutes. Soaking the rice in water will soften them and speeden up the cooking process. We need to clean the rice thoroughly using our hands, and now I will rest it for 45 minutes. Now let us prepare the marination. We need to cut the onions in two halves. First of all, slices of onions for the beresta and cubes of onion for the marination paste. So, adding now all the onion cubes, chili, garlic, coriander leaves and mint leaves. Along with that, we'll also add some grated coconut. Adding little water, I have made a coarse paste. Now, let us begin the marination. I have taken 500 grams of medium-sized prawns. In that, first I am adding salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice red color. Now, coriander powder, cumin powder. And lastly, biryani masala. You can refer to my video on chicken biryani to know how to make this masala. Let us coat all the spices with the prawn uniformly. Now adding the paste which I have made. Pre-marination with all these ingredients will enhance the flavor of the prawns. We need to set aside this marinated prawns for some time so that the flavors get incorporated well into the prawns. After soaking the rice for around 3/4 of an hour, now in a large vessel, I will be boiling some good quantity of water. Using a large quantity of water will ensure that the rice do not stick to each other. As we have already pre-soaked the rice, so it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes to get cooked. Applying ghee to the rice will prevent them from sticking to each other. Boiling the rice perfectly is an art which one needs to master, or else you won't like mushy biryani. So, till the time the ghee gets absorbed in the rice, let us cook the prawn. For cooking them, I am using refined oil. Fry the prawns in oil till it turns golden in color. You will find that the masalas have started coming out of the prawns and getting added in the oil. Do not worry about that because we will be making the gravy in the same karai. So the crispy golden prawns are ready. Now it's time to make the gravy. Adding the remaining paste which I had made earlier. If you wish, you can fry the paste separately also, but as there is enough oil here, I will be frying them together. Now I will add to this coconut milk. It is very easy to make. You just need to grate and soak the coconuts in hot water. Then you just need to squeeze out the coconut and filter the milk and add it. I hope you all have noticed that I had added Kashmiri chili powder during the process, and this gives this bright red color. Now in the rice, I will be adding first layer of prawn curry, then the fried onions, one teaspoon of biryani masala, again another layer of rice, the remaining prawn curry, the rest of the sliced beresta, another spoon of biryani masala. Now with gentle hands, mix the rice with the prawn curry and masala. Please be careful that during this mixing process, the rice do not break. Only during the marination I had added salt, so now balancing it. The coconut which I had squeezed out while making the milk, I will add them at this point of time. You can also use fresh cream during making the prawn curry. Now I will keep it in low flame for 10 minutes. Serve the prawn biryani with some curd and salad. Thank you. Let me know how much you liked my recipe. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Adieu till the next video.